Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Thomas, and today I'm just going to go over a trade recap that I took in the morning. So what happened was I saw that the euro dollar was consolidating, and one of my rules says that if euro dollar is consolidating, I don't trade. That day or that morning. But since it was different, we saw some price action move all the way right here. So that did signify that price was gonna come alive, and we see price and liquidity sweeping sell side liquidity, which means market makers are putting positions right here, and they're sucking liquidity, and they're trying to target retail traders for their stops. Of course, any logical person wouldn't trade right here. This is insanity to trade here. We do see overnight though. We do see it trading decently well, and then we see it. What happens is once we get this confirmation. So this is the 10 a.m. in the morning, right? So the event came out right here. We obviously wicked very high. Obviously, you don't trade the news. I don't trade the news. It's not a good idea, like directly. So I see price coming down. I see price starting to make a real direction. And when I see price create a premium. So price created a premium right here. And I entered about here, which is a very good position. I put my stop loss underneath the premium, a little bit underneath it, just so I don't get stopped out in case price does decide to wick out. And yeah, and then what happened was I was targeting this strong 4-hour price here. I decided to get out a little bit earlier just because I saw that price was undecisive around this area. So price was undecisive right here. It started to move up and down. It started to wick like this, and I'm like, okay, right? Sometimes you guys have to understand that taking trades a few points off your original area of, let's say, liquidity, right? Because the market moves to liquidity, is okay to do. It's okay, you can sacrifice a few of your profits, but generally speaking, I don't like to do lower than a 1 risk reward ratio. But today was an exception, as I was very, very confident in price sweeping these areas here, and it looks like it might come to this level here. This is a very strong level right here, as well, because we also have a very big daily fair value gap or imbalance, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, that was just a quick trade recap. If you enjoyed, check out my live trade up here, and this is my P&L in case you're wondering. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next video. Peace.